Hey, what's up guys? Taken Brand sent me this recharging cable set here for free so I could unbox it and open it up and show you what it comes with so you know what you get when you get your package in the mail. So first you'll see that it does come with a nice charging cube. So I'll throw that out. Give you an up close look at the cube itself. Pretty impressive. It feels like a nice quality cube. I know I've had some before that, they just kind of feel really like, I don't know, light and not great. This actually feels like it's a good quality cable, or cube I mean. And then here's the cable that it comes with. You see it's wrapped up neat, has a kind of flat profile so it can lay down easily. We'll untwist it here. So I don't remember the actual length of the cable, so let me see if I can, just kind of estimate it for you. So just holding it out, it's I think probably about a 6-foot cable that you have. You'll see one end, that's your USB that you'll plug into the cube. Make sure I get the right, yeah. So you'll plug that USB into the cube, and then you have your charging side on the other end. So these are good for like the Arlo brand type security cameras, or other things that have this particular charger on the side of it or on the end of it. And then you have this little pack of hardware set here. So this is so, like, again, you're running security cameras, you can easily place your cable through there and then tap your nails in, and you can securely hold your cable to your wall or trim or wherever you're running it to. But just so you know, it does come with a set of hardware, fastening hardware with your kit there. So, just wanted to show you what you're getting. I do think it feels like a really nice quality set, has everything you need to get your camera up and going.